Assalamualaikum guys, my name is Mohammad Aryan Ali and today we will learn about CSS layout or CSS position. The position property specifies the type of position method used for an element, meaning we use this position method for any element from which position we want, like left, right, top, bottom. For this purpose this position property are used. There are 5 properties: static, relative, fixed, absolute and sticky. These are 5 properties of position. So I will teach you today. I will open VS Code. It is our course 13. I will open Ultimate Code. I will create a new file and also a CSS file. Now I will press Shift plus 1 to write the full syntax, and I will link CSS and HTML files like this. Now I will show you this H1. I will write here hello. Now it is, and when I will go live, so look, it is here in the left default like this. So when I will write target here H1 and I will give it position, I will write position, and here look that all 5 properties are came: absolute, fixed, relative, static, sticky. And absolute, it is a default, you can say it's default, so nothing will happen with this. Just like it is come from its place up, meaning it have leave its place like this. Absolute function is, with example I will show you. Wait, absolute, I will write here too much big text like P lorem 2000, just like this. I will go here. So look, absolute, this is like came from its place. Now it's not in any place, it is just floating. Look, it's up on this text. If I will remove the position, so you can see it is now in a place, like this is the function of absolute. And when I will write in absolute place fixed, now it is like this. Now the same function of absolute obtained, but when I will scroll, so look, it is there where it was, like in same position. It is scrolling. This text like this load of this world is going up, but I am scrolling, but this hello is not going. This is a function of fixed. And other is static, which is also a default. Look, it is default, and if you will not write default, it is like this. And now other is relative. Relative meaning it will like stay. Its place would be this, but we can move it anywhere. Like it's now relative position, I will give it like left. I want 300 pixel to move it. 300 pixel, I will move it from left. So look, it came, and until its place is here, it didn't have this place. Well, look, I will try to select here. So the text, look, this text is getting selected. Like I am selecting here. So look, that text is getting selected, but I am not selecting like this. I am selecting here. Look, I am moving from here. It's moving. Look, it's meaning it still have left its place. It is same place. Just it is moved from that place, but it will have left. And it is sticky. Sticky meaning like it will here, like as you can see, sticky, like it will just stick in one place. It will not move. Like if now I will, like I have given left, from left it should move 300 pixels, but it's not moving because it is sticked here, it is fixed properly. That's why it is not moving. So like this we can use it. And now our other topic is Z index. Z index is a property that which Z index would be the more, that would be at the top of the image or text, you can say. Like, I will remove this. Now look, this is a H1 and I will write H2, another H2, and I will write here hello. Now I will target H2 and I will give it Z index. I will give it a Z index 0, and up 1, that's H1, I will give a Z index 1. So this H1 is up on this, but it's block level element, so that's it's not showing. So I will add a image, like image of tree. This image I will paste. I will copy image link, and in here I will close and I will write here image, and in src I will paste the URL. Now another image I will add. In this image I will, like other image I will, this one. I will copy image link and I will paste here. Now this image I will give a class for giving certain text both separately. So in class I will write image 1, img1. Here too I will give class img2. Now I will target both here. I will target that image 1. So I will write img1 and then I will give it Z index. I will give it Z index 0, and other one I will give 1. img2 and Z index 1. These images are too much big, so I will give the width to like width 300 pixel, both same. As you can see now, these both are, this image have 0, this have 1 index, Z index. So now when I will give position, like here I will give position to this. I will remove from relative and I will write here static, and now I will give position like left 300. It's not working, so we will use margin. Left 300 pixel, and width I by mistake removed, so I will write here 300 pixel. Why is not working? Okay, we have given static default, so we have to give any other position, like I will undo. Okay, now this position static I will write here absolute. So look here, I have moved it 300 pixel, I will move it 200 pixel. So look, this image has Z index 1, this image have Z index 0, and which have like less than that will come up, not which have more Z index. It has 0, so it will come at the top. It have 1, so it will come at the less. Who have less, it will come up. Like now if I will write here 2, so wait, I will write here now 3. So it's not working, so but like this you can do. I'm just like use this Z index property. So thank you guys, in this video only this much. We will meet in next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.